We are back again, still continuing on the issue that we raised yesterday about the costs for traveling back home. We want to thank God, we want to appreciate the government for putting at least an extension that they reduce at least by 50 GD, but we want to appeal to our government that still 50 GD is still little money. It is still little money because when you go for the checkup for corona, they will ask for 55 GD. 55 GD, so by not making any difference in the end. But still, we want the voices to be heard. We appeal to our speaker, Madam Rebecca Kadaga. We have seen you come up like helping very many women in Uganda. So think of the girl child, think of the young ladies who are here, who have come to do something for themselves. Then consider them as the young ladies that you have been helping out there. So we believe that if the speaker arises, brings the issues to the table, we will have a final decision in the end that will be able to accommodate all those who have pains in their hearts, all those who feel that they are not catered for. So the first one was going to our government, but now we are appealing to our speaker, Madam Rebecca Kadaga. We have very many events. Women organizations like FAWE, they have been like empowering the girl child, the young women to work. So the same thing that we are appealing, that let them also rise up in this hour. Let them rise up. This is the time to show the care that you have empowered these young ladies to work. Now they need your help too. So we want to believe that there was an impact that came up from the video that we made yesterday. And we want to believe that the more we will come out to speak the issues that are like putting pains in our hearts, we believe that the government will have something to do. So the next thing, I want to believe that if we rise up, we can empower these young girls who have been like heartbroken, not having any hope, because very many are being frustrated. They are passing through hard times, but they can't come up and speak. So we who have the confidence, we who have the voices, let's arise. This is the time to help our sisters. This is the time to help the young ladies. This is the time to help the young mothers. Yeah, they are young because most of them, you can see their age group is between 25 to 32. The maximum. So please and please, our government, our speaker, FAWE organizations, arise, help these ladies, and we see that we have a happy family in the end. Because if you say that you are empowering the young ladies, you are empowering the young women, then arise in this hour. If you come as a concern, like you rise up, you show them that you are on their side, then these other people will wake up. But if like the organization that are concerned with the affairs of women do not rise up, so what do you expect? Because now we are talking about the young ladies. The young ladies, most especially the men, they will not rise like to complain, because even we know that in the beginning it is the men to work for the ladies. But if these ladies have come up to do something for themselves, now it is time for them to return home, do something. We believe that God is going to help us in this, but still we have like to speak out. Whatever that which we feel that should be done, let's speak out. We are not going to remain quiet, but we will come up and speak until something is done. I want to believe that something has been passed out and we believe that still the deduction will come to pass, that we will be able to afford whatever cost they will tell us, but they have to consider the way these people are earning, the amount of income we receive. So I want to believe God is going to do something, but raise up Ugandan women, stand for these women, be by their side, speak, and they will listen. Because we have seen very many changes in Uganda, but they come up due to riots. For us, we will not riot. We will not do aggressive measures, but we will use the voice we have to reach out to our government. So, as they have done something to reduce a little cost of 50 GD, I want to believe that our government can still do more to our best. God bless you, everyone. And I want again to say thank you for all those who were able to share. And let's continue in this fight. And we know in the end, our lives shall be better and we shall get better results. God bless you.